I start out by tossing treats where I would like this dog to be when I work with her. She has no idea that a sit is a thing and that will get paid for. However, you can see the dog outside the gate knows that the sit is a thing, and she is expecting to be paid for it. And she will ask in a second with her paw. Of course, I'm not naming this behavior yet because this dog has no idea what she is doing to get clicked and treated. I'm just doing my best to catch it with the clicker and then tossing her a treat. Now and then I'm click treating this dog for coming very close to me and touching her nose to my pants. Eventually, I want her to work closer to me, and that is why I'm doing this. Her bravery has really increased since I started training her. She's almost brave enough to touch me while we're working. What do you see? I don't know. I couldn't see what they were barking at, but her recovery time is much faster than when she first arrived. She has no idea what I am clicking her for, and I won't be naming it until she's much more confident in doing this exercise. I'll start waiting a little longer before I click treat her, And I'll also change my location of where I am working her to make her even more braver. And now we're done.